Hello friends, in advanced JavaScript, our today's topic is HTML inner property. So to understand HTML inner property, I have made a program here. See what I am doing here. I have simply made a one form and button here. So I have made a button here and I am taking on click function to on click property of this input to change the text which is appearing in the form, and what it will be, click this button to change above text. If I will click this button, the text that is displaying this paragraph will be changed. So what is it now? Welcome to the site. And if I click this button that I am taking here, then the text, this text will be replaced by which text? This text. Welcome to HTML5 and JavaScript. So let's see how it runs. So when this button is called on click, if I will click this button, I am calling which function? Change text 3. So I have defined this function here, that is change text 3. My variable style, I am taking a variable style. In that I am taking HTML tag, that is h2, with its style and its color green. I am taking another one variable, that is text, that I want to change this text to welcome to this HTML5 and JavaScript. So text and close style is h2, that is I am closing the close style, closing this h2 tag here. So this whole tag will be appear in these three variable, and I will just assign this tag to by using inner.html. So document.getElement by para, getElement by id, that is para, this is the id of this paragraph, will be replaced by .inner. If I will use .inner, then I can assign these three variables to this particular id. So my paragraph will be replaced by this text, which welcome to the HTML5 and JavaScript. How? Let's run this and check it. If I run this, let me save this program and HTML inner property. If I run this, see, you can see the button here. You can see the button here. Click this button and change the above text. If I want to change the above text, which is above text? Welcome to the site. If I click here, the text here will be changed. Let's check it. See, if I click here, the text is changing to welcome to the HTML5, and if I change again, there is no return. So I can just change it once. If I refresh this, my original program will get appear. Now I will explain you again. I am clicking this button na? So where I am doing this, here input type button, and I am taking change text function on click. On click, if I am clicking the button, which function is called change this text. So it is here change text 3. So in that I am taking three variables, that is style, text and close style. So whole tag is HTML h2 style color green, welcome to HTML5. So I can, if I am writing it, if I will write it separately, this will looks like this. And H2 close. So this is your see, I want to show you this line. So I am simply assigning this line to where document dot get element by ID, and my ID is what, paragraph. So it is para. So I will assign this line to this para ID by using inner.html. What I am assigning, these three variables, style plus text plus close style, is what, this. I can simply cut this and I can show you this is equal to what, this plus is equal to this, equal to close style, this whole line. So I will cut it, I will undo it, and if I save this, let's run it again. If I click this button, I will change it to welcome to HTML5 and JavaScript. So this is how your HTML property works. I hope you understand HTML inner property, and we will see the more examples and Windows objects in the next lecture. Thank you so much.